Love wins. Love always wins. Why is there ever this perverse cruelty in humankind that makes us hurt most those we love best? I go to sleep alone and wake up alone. I take walks. I work until I am tired. I watch the wind play with the trash that's been under the snow all winter. Everything seems simple until you think about it. Why is love intensified by absence? Love all your days if you choose, but don't let it spoil you for its wicked. The throw away so many good gifts because you cannot have the one you want. I wish you to know that you have been the last dream of my soul. Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. I want you to be weak weak as I am. If two people love each other, there can be no happy end to it. Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. I want you to be weak as I am. If two people love each other, there can be no happy end to it. I wish I had a boyfriend. I wish he lived in the wardrobe on a coat hanger. Whenever I wanted, I could get him out and he had look at me the way boys do in films, as if I am beautiful. The only obsession everyone wants love. People think that in falling in love they make themselves whole. the platonic union of souls. I think otherwise. I think you are whole before you begin, and the love fractures you. You are whole, and then you are cracked open. When I saw you, I saw love. When I saw you naked, I saw lust. When I saw you with my clone in a dream, I saw the future. I wanted to tell her everything. Maybe if I had been able to, we could have lived differently. Maybe I had be there with you now instead of here. Maybe if I had said I am so afraid of losing someone I love that I refuse to love anything, maybe that would have made the impossible possible, maybe, but I could not do it. I had buried too much too deeply inside me, and here I am instead of there. Once upon a time, there was a boy who loved a girl, and her laughter was a question. He wanted to spend his whole life answering